In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to Meta. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Zoho CRM account and that you are on the main dashboard. This is important because the settings we will use are located in the top area of the Zoho interface. When you are ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon. Click Setup, which is the area that holds your configuration options. This step matters because it is where Zoho organizes all the tools and integrations you might want to connect. After you click Setup, the next screen will show several categories and options. Take a moment to find the section for channels. In Zoho, integrations are often grouped by what they connect to, such as social networks or messaging platforms. From the Setup area, click Channels. As soon as you select Channels, you will notice a menu that is designed for different communication and connection types. Now, move your attention to the left menu on your screen. In the left menu, click Social. This is the specific area where you can connect social platforms like Facebook. By choosing Social, you avoid other unrelated channel types and stay focused on the exact integration we need for Meta. Once you are in the Social section, you should see a list of social options, including Facebook. Click the Facebook tab. This tab is where the connection settings live for your Facebook integration. You might also see information related to the status of the connection or what has already been configured, depending on your account. For this tutorial, we want to add a fresh account connection, so you can connect Meta to your Zoho CRM setup. Now that you are on the Facebook tab, you will be looking for the option to add a new account. Find and click Add Account. This action starts the authentication flow, which is the process of verifying that you own or control the Meta account you want to connect. You may also see a button that indicates you are about to authenticate a login. Click Add Account to continue. After you click Add Account, you will be redirected to a Meta authentication window. This is where you will confirm access so Zoho CRM can connect to your Meta tools. In this step, you should authenticate your Meta login. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete any required permissions checks. If the window asks you to confirm that you want to allow access, review the request as it appears on screen and then confirm to proceed. During authentication, it is normal for the page to load or for you to be returned to Zoho. If you see a success message or a connected status indicator after completing the login, that is a good sign the integration has been established. If you do not see it right away, simply wait for the page to finish loading, because sometimes the connection status updates with a slight delay. Once the Meta login is authenticated and the connection is confirmed in Zoho, you have completed the core setup step. At this point, Zoho CRM should be able to work with your Facebook presence as part of your integration. You can now review the interface to ensure the Facebook account appears as connected or listed correctly. To wrap up, you have opened Zoho CRM setup through the gear icon, navigated to Channels and then Social, selected the Facebook tab, and then added and authenticated your Meta account. That is all there is to it, and that covers everything you need to know for connecting Zoho CRM to Meta.